Welcome to another video. This will not be a repair video. This is about this camera I received. I had a donation from a subscriber, the guts of €200 around that, and I decided to get this camera out of it. I heard good reviews of it. It's 4K, and I believe it's supposed to be really 4K. It's USB. It's got a 1/2-inch sensor. And let's have a look. We just open up the box and see what's inside. I think that's how it opens. This is my first time opening it, as you can see. Let's see. Will it just open like that? What else is holding it? Friction, I would imagine. Yeah. It's hard to open without breaking the box. Okay, what do we see? The camera itself. It looks like some kind of base for it. What's in here? USB-C to USB-C. Okay, right. Do I have that type of adapter at the far end? Oh, wait, no, okay. Oh, they give me a USB-A type to USB-C adapter. Very good. So far, so good. Okay, get rid of that. Nothing inside that. What have we got in here? Quick start guide. I'll give that a quick read. Warranty card. What's inside this? Nearly prodded myself. Little stuff. What have we got here? I don't know. I'll find out in the instruction panels what they're in this instruction book about that. Base panel. The base of the unit, I should say. Get that in the camera, yes. Can open up. Okay, that moves as well. Very good. Let's unwrap this. So far it's been well packaged and protected. close the lens as well. Very good. Impressed so far. Figure out how it goes together now. Ah, there we are. Okay. It does have a mounting position. It does have a mounting position for a tripod as well, as you can just possibly, let me just see. Will it balance by itself? No, it won't balance by itself. Oh, will balance by itself as well. So yeah, you can possibly use it there on the bench as well. That's something if you want to see something closely. Okay. What I have to do now is wire this up, which isn't much. Plug it in and see how it goes. Okay, see the light come on. I heard it detecting it. Okay. Right, I'll do is now I'll start setting this up on OBS. I got the camera plugged in and I got a board here set up. And this is what we have here. The quality of video, which isn't too bad for a USB camera, I suppose. It autofocuses. It's bright enough. I do have a overhead light. I shouldn't say overhead. I have a light behind me here that does keep it a bit bright in here. But here we go. I'm going to have now a look at the software. Just a link here that you get the software from the Insta360.com download page, and you can download the software from here. You got Windows version and you got the Mac operating system here. I just downloaded it and installed it, and what I get is I get this software here. As you can see, I can't see the camera from the software because it's open in OBS. It won't allow it to be open in both pieces of software, which is a bit awkward. It'd be nice if I could do it in both of them, but never mind. You got a few things here I can't really show you without shutting down OBS. You got auto framing where you can select your own frame. We're zoomed in. You can see this thing coming in, going in and out here, how far you're zoomed in, and you can add more by just clicking that. For me, I'm more interested in effects. Let me see if I can find it. Or view, where is it? Oh, here we go. We got this here. We got this here. You can zoom in and out with this. And if I was looking at OBS now, it would zoom in and out. But I can't see it in here, so it's kind of useless. I'd have to have another screen up and running. I do have another screen, but why should I do that if I can do it another way? So I found something else in here. Settings. Here are settings, and you see these global shortcut keys. If you enable that, you get all these. And you see you got to zoom out, which really is Alt plus or minus, which really means zoom in or out there. I'd have to leave that out of there, but If you press the Alt key and with the plus or minus, it'll do either zoom in or zoom out. The problem I found with it was when you start up your Windows first, you open up OBS, the hotkeys don't work until you open up the Insta360 software. Then these hotkeys work, even though I can switch it off. Even though I turn off the software, the hotkeys will continue to work. That might be fixed with a future update. We don't know. But that's all I'm interested now here for what I use it for. I'm going to just shut this down. And back to the Instacam. Now we're back in this. Let me see if I get the, I'll just get this in here, in the view. And I press the Alt key and let's see what happens. I can zoom in and zoom in. But as you can see, it gets a little bit grainy as the further you go in. But look, I would prefer an optical zoom, but for the money you're paying for this, you're not going to get it. The digital zoom will do fine. I would never have to zoom in that far because I have a microscope to look at things quickly. And the other thing about it is it's not distorted. Like my last camera, you had the fishbowl effect. Like squares were kind of not the right shape, but this at least looks reasonable, the right shape. I don't have to keep on correcting the camera. You do have another setting in there for doing that, but I find it's very hard to if you're looking at something like this at an angle there, you can get it to simulate looking at it a little bit up, but it doesn't look right. There's something wrong about it. For me, all I'm worried about is the zoom in and out, and that's these two keys here. And that's it. I should add, there is also other software for a mobile phone. You can have either Android or Apple, your iPhone type software. This will allow you to control your phone from a distance. I'm not too sure. Have you got to be on the wireless network? I would imagine you'd have to be connected to the wireless network to do it, and it's done through that. It's just another added feature to have for this device. Of the many features, it's very versatile. That was just a brief rundown on what I would use this camera for. Thanks for watching.